Eminyakeni ebunane edluleko kwadunyuzwa kwabulawa umendi we-Orlando Pirates neBafana Bafana uSenzo Meyiwa eFosloras nabekavakatshele intombakhe ekhabo uKelly Khumalo. Ufikela nje akwaziwa bona kwenzekani mhlokho ebusuku. Namhlanje abasolwa abahlanu bebavele ekhotho ephakemeko ePitori. Kulalelwa kwecala bekufanele kuthome namhlanje ngofakazi wokuthoma wombuso uThabo Musiya. Kodwa kwakhutshwa isibawo esithi ikampani egadangisa ifilimi ngempilo kaMeyiwa ivinjwe ngombana kube nenililo ngayo.
There's a difference between the media house and the production house. These people are the film production. They are not a media house. They are not a mainstream media when you talk about 405, 403, 417. So these are the people they are here not for the public knowledge or information. They are here for the profit of their company.
When this documentary was flighted, there were interviews with witnesses. The witnesses the public was invited to proffer comment as to whether anyone can be held liable for killing Mr. Senzo Meyiwa. And that is what this court insisted.
Ikhambani iTen10 ifake isibawo sokuthi ifuna ukuba sekhotho nakulalelwa icala.
My client has a right to be known what it's accused of, to know why it is being singled out among all the other media companies to be excluded. Everyone else in the country could walk through the court's doors and see what is happening. But my client is being singled out for exclusion from the proceedings, and that has to be based on evidence, not merely on conjecture.
Ijaji likhuphe isahlulelo esithi ikampani egadangisa ifilimi ngempilo kaSenzo Meyiwa irakele phambili nokuba khona ekhotho nakulalelwe icala.
The court is not ordering anybody out that applied to participate in this trial, especially those who applied on the basis that they form part and parcel of what is considered to be media houses. And I think that is my ruling.
Qala lizokurakela phambili kusasa.